Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you've learned on how to use the invoice here in Contractor Foreman. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the website and currently we can really log into an account since we need to book a demo first. But yeah, they also have the available resources and how we can actually use the invoice. So right here, first is you have to set up the invoices to match your billing requirements, control payment options, taxes, currency, and custom data. So every invoice is accurate, compliant, and ready to send. So for online payments, as you can see, you can let your customers pay invoices online, credit cards, and or ACH faster payments options. So can reduce delays and help keep cash flow steady without extra phone calls or reminders. Okay, and for the local currency support, invoice confidently in the correct local currency. So no matter where you work, the constructor foreman supports invoicing in over 775 countries. So currency symbols and totals are always accurate. And yeah, you can set up the tax rates based on where you operate. You can add multiple tax rates, group taxes, or region specific requirements. So, invoice calculate taxes correctly for each job. And of course, you can track the details that matter to your business and add a custom fields to invoices for internal tracking, client requirements, or additional documentation. So all custom data remains reportable and usable in the invoice template. Okay, so if you want to explore their tool, you can actually book a demo, and then if your company is eligible to use the demo, then they are going to send you that. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.